Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking in purpose, who you help and what action you want. Once done, choose the format that matches your audience and goal. Don't overcomplicate. You should collect 3 core points and 1 clear call to action so your content has direction. Now open a document and write a single-sentence thesis, then outline the 3 points in order. Keep momentum. Set a 25-45-minute timer and draft the first pass without editing to capture raw value. You now shape the middle. Start with a strong hook that promises value, then deliver the 3 points in logical order. Once you've outlined, expand each point with an example or quick step so viewers can act immediately. Make sure to use short sentences and vary cadence, alternate punchy commands with explanatory lines. After writing, perform an edit pass focused on clarity, remove redundant phrases, simplify language, and tighten transitions, so you finish by polishing the headline, thumbnail, and the first 5 seconds to maximize attention. Once done, export or render and test playback on 1 phone and 1 laptop, and ask a colleague for a quick reaction. Make final tweaks to timing, captions, and CTA placement. If engagement drops or viewers quit early, troubleshoot. Check clarity and pacing first, then re-edit the weak section or re-record the opening. Small fixes often rescue the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.